In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI with HubSpot using an open source connector. Let's dive right into it so you can maximize your data analytics potential in no time. First, you'll need to start at the HubSpot User Guide. This guide is your go-to resource for navigating through the integration process, offering detailed insights and instructions at every turn. Once you're in the user guide, your next task is to locate the Marketplace tab. This is your central hub for accessing and discovering various integrations and apps that HubSpot offers. By clicking on the Marketplace, you'll enter a world of possibilities where each app can enhance your HubSpot experience. Now let's zero in on what we are here for: Power BI. To find this specific integration, simply click on Apps. The Apps section will present you with an array of potential partnerships that can expand your HubSpot capabilities. In the search bar, you want to type in Power BI. This will filter the results and direct you straight to the tool we're focusing on today. It's a streamlined process. No need to sift through unrelated apps, just type and go. Once you've located Power BI integration, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Power BI integration page where you can get an overview of what the integration entails and how it can benefit your data visualization efforts. On this page, you'll find important details such as features, user reviews, and any prerequisites for installation. It's always helpful to take a moment here to read through this information, especially if you're new to Power BI or HubSpot integrations. When you're ready to proceed, the next step is to click on Install App. This begins the installation process for the Power BI integration, seamlessly connecting HubSpot with Power BI's powerful data capabilities. During installation, make sure you follow any prompts or additional instructions to ensure a smooth setup. This process typically involves granting permissions and possibly linking your accounts to ensure that data can flow freely between HubSpot and Power BI. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully connect Power BI with HubSpot using the open source connector. This integration will enable you to harness the full potential of your data, offering comprehensive insights and driving your business strategies forward. Remember, integrating tools like Power BI with HubSpot not only enhances your data analysis capabilities, but also streamlines your workflow, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools.